let's take a look at how to use the different eDrive modes on the Dodge Hornet. So we're going to switch modes by pressing the button on the steering wheel here. And if we look at the gauge cluster, you can see there's 3 different modes available to you. The first one is a hybrid mode, and that's going to be sort of your standard hybrid electric driving. If I press this, that's going to go to electric, and it's going to use your battery to help on fuel economy, and then when it needs to, it'll switch over to gas. Now if we press it again, we can go into all electric mode if you want to be fully electric or in that low emissions type of mode on there. So that's one, again, you might choose. I don't have enough power in the battery right now to do it, so make sure you do have enough power if you want to be in that mode. Now the last one people find most confusing is e-save. And that basically is forcing the car to go to gas. So why would you want to do that? If you wanted to save the electrical power in the battery for later in your trip, maybe you're driving into a low emission zone, you need to be in an electric mode, you want to use that electrical power at a later time, you can force it into the gas mode to save that electrical power for future driving. Again, that's the e-save concept. So that's our different eDrive modes on the Dodge Hornet.